what we are going to do? We are going to discuss potential energy of an electric, 3 marks, potential energy of an electric dipole in an external electric field. What is dipole? Di means two, pole means polarity, electric means plus and minus. That forms an electric dipole. What we are going to calculate? Potential energy of an electric dipole placed in an external electric field. पहला external electric field काढून घ्यायचं. Electric dipole, you take the help of electric dipole आणि मग potential energy. Very easy, I'll show you. चुटकी मध्ये होऊन जाणार. We will take a uniform external electric field like this. We have taken, this is a uniform external electric field E. Okay, we place a dipole. Dipole means a concept or a concept where a positive charge equal, positive and negative charges which are equal in magnitude are separated by a suitable distance. Charge plus Q is acted upon by a force QE in the direction of the field. In the direction because of the force of repulsion. Plus force of repulsion. तुम्ही म्हणते हे कसं काढलं? Electric field is force upon charge. Basic definition of electric intensity or electric field is what? It is force upon charge. Okay. Negative charge is acted upon by a force given by minus Q into E in the opposite direction. That's it. Concentrate students, very easy. I drop a perpendicular like this. Let me mark this as position A, point B. The length of the dipole is written as 2L. Theta is the angle made by the dipole with the electric field. Theta is the angle made by the dipole with the electric field. Plus QE is the force acting on the charge Q in the direction. Minus QE is the force acting on the charge minus Q in the opposite direction. This is because of attraction and this is because of repulsion. हे बघा, repulsion हे attraction म्हणून opposite direction से होते. That's it. Now, when equal and opposite charges are placed in an electric field, they are acted upon by two forces plus QE and minus QE which are equal but in opposite direction. You have already learned two forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction contribute to what is called as a torque. I repeat, contribute to forces, one is plus QE, minus QE, separated by a suitable distance, perpendicular distance, contribute to what is called as a torque. Torque is, the effect of the torque is to produce rotation. Okay. What is the formula for torque? You already learnt it in your 11th standard. Torque is equal to PE sin theta. What is P? P is the dipole moment. Dipole moment means what, teacher? P is equal to dipole moment, that is product of charge, and the distance of separation between the charges, that is PE sin theta. Due to this torque, the dipole rotates. Samsa, if I want to neutralize due to this torque, the dipole rotates. If I want to neutralize the effect of the dipole, I have to apply an external torque equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, which will be minus PE sin theta. if the dipole is forcefully made to rotate from initial angle theta naught to final angle theta, the net x हे torque which rotates the dipole. This is an external torque which neutralizes the effect of dipole. म्हणजे ही ऍक्शन आणि थोडक्यात ही रिॲक्शन म्हणून मायनस येतं तिथं. ओके, PE sin theta. आता काय करूया, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ sin theta you know it very thoroughly. I will apply it, ends the job. तो external is equal to what, माइनस को ऐसे ही रखो, P dipole moment constant, E constant, electric field is constant, integration of sin theta, I don't know whether you know it, standard form है तो, which is minus cos theta from initial value theta naught to final value theta. Okay, fine. Therefore, tau external is equal to what? Minus minus plus PE upper bound cos theta, lower bound cos theta naught. Are you okay here? Yeah, upper bound cos theta, lower bound cos theta naught. Are you okay here? Students, is it fine with you? हाँ, एक झालं. इथं ऍक्च्युअली निगेटिव्ह साइन घ्यायची गरज नाही. एक्सटर्नल टॉर्कला इफेक्ट इक्वल आणि ऑपोजिट घेतलं की झालं. नेगेटिव्ह घ्यायची गरज नाही. मॅग्निट्यूड विल रिमेन सेम. सो इट बी मायनस अपर बाउंड मायनस ऑफ मायनस लोअर बाउंड. आय रिपीट, नेगेटिव्ह घ्यायची गरज पडत नाही स्टुडंट्स. एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क इज इक्वल इन मॅग्निट्यूड एज दॅट ऑफ द टॉर्क. न्यूट्रलाइज फक्त करायचा मला इफेक्ट. PE बाहेर काढला. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ साइन थीटा इज minus cos theta. See, if you consider the direction and all, it's necessary to write it as negative. Minus cos theta, integration of sin theta. Substitute the upper bound. Minus of minus, substitute the lower bound. Integration job is over. झालं. मग काय राहिलं? Therefore, tau external is equal to PE cos theta naught minus cos theta. Positive sign first, negative sign later. That's it. Are you okay here? Fine. If initially the dipole is perpendicular to the field, म्हणजे dipole असा आडवा नसून, समजा if the dipole is like this, that is perpendicular to the field, means theta naught is pi by 2. Okay, what will happen to the expression? Therefore, tau external is equal to PE cos pi by 2 minus cos theta. Therefore, tau external is equal to PE cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos theta is theta itself. So, it is equal to minus PE cos theta. Similarly, if initially the dipole is parallel to the electric field, parallel म्हणजे कसा, असा आडवाच त्याला ठेवायचं, like this. This is plus q minus q. If initially the dipole is parallel to the field, theta is 0 or 180 degree. Fine. Therefore, tau external becomes PE cos 0 minus cos theta. Therefore, tau external is equal to PE cos 0 is 1 minus cos theta. Tau external is equal to PE into 1 minus cos theta. Are you okay? That's it. एकदा rewind मारूया. Then I'll go to the next part which is very easy. मला तुमचं फेवरेट ते कंडक्टर्स, इन्सुलेटर्स आणि बाउंडेड चार्जेस, अनबाउंडेड चार्जेस. तो पार्ट घ्यायचा. ते डॅम इझी आहे. If you don't study it also, it doesn't matter. Potential, हाँ, मग तुम्ही मला टीचर इथं पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी कुठून आली? You know, स्टुडंट्स एक पॉइंट सांगते. हा फॉर्म्युला फॉर टॉर्क. हाँ, वर्क डन जर घ्यायचं असेल, आता आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशन करताना ना, एक मिनिट हा, वर्क डन इज टो एक्सटर्नल डी थीटा. फॉर टो एक्सटर्नल की टॉर्क. टॉर्क म्हणजे काय? फोर्स. फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज वर्क. हा, म्हणजे हे साइन थीटा डी थीटा येतं. कळतंय? डायरेक्ट साइन थीटा तुम्हाला इंटिग्रेट करता येत नाही. अँड दॅट इज इक्वल टू पी साइन थिटा. रिपीट व्हॉट आय सेड. हे बघा एकदा रिवाइंड मारून देते मग तुमच्या डोक्यात फिक्स बसणार. नथिंग इंटरनॅशनल स्टुडंट्स. थांबा एकदा रिपीट करते तुम्हाला इझिली कळेल टीचर काय सांगते ते. मोठं काय नाही आहे ते. We have taken a dipole, plus charge at point A, minus charge equal in magnitude at point B. They are placed in an external electric field of intensity E. When the dipole is placed in an external electric field, two forces of magnitudes plus QE and minus QE acts at points A and B respectively, one in one direction and one exactly in the opposite direction. Two equal and parallel forces acting in opposite direction contribute to what is called as torque. The formula is this. Okay? If you want to neutralize the effect of the torque, we have to apply an equal and opposite torque, which is due to which we have to perform an external, we have to apply an equal and opposite torque that is given by tau external, PE sin theta, समजा if it is applied from initial angle theta naught to final angle theta, to rotate it we require energy. The energy is stored in the form of potential energy. Whatever is the work done, tau external चा formula P sin theta च येणार. Work done will be tau external d theta, that is integration P sin theta d theta. Okay, चलो where does the work done go? Neutralize the effect, we have to perform work. Here we have to apply energy. Where does the work done go? The work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Therefore, W is equal to tau external d theta. That is integrate करा. Integration of sin theta d theta is minus cos theta, theta naught to theta. Upper bound minus lower bound केला. If theta naught is pi by 2 initially, जर dipole field perpendicular असेल, theta naught is pi by 2, we get W is equal to P cos pi by 2 minus cos theta. If cos pi by 2 is 0, so it is minus P cos theta. If initially the dipole is parallel to the field, then work done is P cos theta naught 0 जर घेतला, means if initially the dipole is parallel to the field, theta naught is 0, P cos 0 minus 1 cos 0 1, cos 0 is 1, so W is equal to P 1 minus cos theta. म्हणजे फक्त टो एक्सटर्नल घेतला तर sin theta P sin theta घेतो आपण. वर्क डन घ्यायचं असेल तर d theta ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ sin theta d theta is cos theta. कळलं? All this work done, where does it go? It is stored in the form of potential energy. That's it. एक derivation. Clear ना? Go to the next part, students. मी काय सांगते आहे का? इट्स लाईक अ सिम्पल बेसिक थिंग जे मी तुम्हाला लगेच रिवाइज करून देते बिकॉज यू हॅव ऑलरेडी लर्न इट इन युअर लोअर क्लासेस मेनी टाइम्स. यू हॅव एन्काउंटर्ड दीज थिंग्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हॉट आर कंडक्टर्स? Conductors are the materials, usually metals, which consist of a large number of free charges in the form of electrons. The best examples of conductors are, I already discussed, they are metals. Along with that, human bodies, animals are also very good conductors of electricity. Now, why human body and animals are very good conductors of electricity? कारण चुकून जर आम्ही ओल्या भिंतीला ज्याच्यावरून वायर पास होते जर हात लावला तर तुम्हाला एक्सपिरियन्स आलेला आहे. दॅट इज फेटल शॉक. So human beings, animals are good conductors of electricity, meaning they allow the electric current to flow through them. Okay, point number 1. Point number 2 is that what is conductors हे conductors म्हणून का वागतात? Because they have something called as free charges and insulators मध्ये same charges असतात but they are bonded. It goes like this. हे बघा आता बेसिक कॉन्सेप्टला जाऊया. I have already told you conductors consist of free charges which are in continuous motion such that if a human body touches a current, it experiences fatal shock because ते एक medium असतो blood. त्या medium through इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कसं वागते ते, आणि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लोज. नाव why conductors allow electric current to flow through them? Reason: if you look into a metal is a conductor. Why is it a conductor? Because metal consists of normally inner nucleus and electrons revolving around the nucleus. Inner electrons are tightly bonded to the nucleus. Outer electrons, or so called the valence electrons, outer orbit electrons, are loosely bonded. Since they are loosely bonded to the nucleus, they are free enough to move here and there inside the metals, and therefore they are called as free charges. Such that समजा एक्सटर्नली मी एखादा एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वापरणं म्हणजे काय, एखादी बॅटरी जोडली, then the electrons start moving exactly opposite to the applied electric field. Okay, this is what is current. But if you look into the inner orbit electrons or the components of the nucleus, which are protons and all that, students, they are tightly bonded to the nucleus. Since they are tightly bonded to the nucleus, they are not free. They are bonded, they are not responsible for the flow of current. Such charges are called as bonded charges. So what are free charges? Metal, valence electrons, which are loosely bonded, which are free enough to move here and there, are free charges. Insulator, if you look into the same metal, electrons, inner orbit and the components of the nucleus, which are tightly bonded to the nucleus, cannot move, hence they are bonded charges. That's it. Students, insulator आणि इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मध्ये काय असतं, तर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट consists of positive and negative ions, students, which move here and there. But हे positive आणि negative ions are bonded by electrostatic force and electric field in electrolyte. कळतंय? I'll repeat. In electrolytic conductor like electrodes किंवा electrolytic solution, they contain positive and negative ions. No doubt they are free enough, but they are kind of bonded by electrostatic force of attraction. कारण जागा कमी असते ना म्हणून. Come to the insulator part. Insulators consist of charges, but they are bonded. Like if you look into rubber and all, no, the charges are not free. As in metals, the charges are free enough to move here and there. But if you look into rubber or plastic and all that, charges are there, but they are not free to move. At any cost, they are not free to move, and hence they are called as insulators. That's it. So charges are not free to move. Hence, असं नसतं की इन्सुलेटर मध्ये चार्जेस नसतात मुलांनो. फ्री चार्जेस असले, if they are moving conductor, if the same charges, if they are bonded, means inner orbit electrons किंवा components of the nucleus, हे जे आहेत, जे are bonded charges, जे move होऊ शकत नाही, such a component is called as an insulator. That's it. आलं लक्षात? इन्सुलेटर मधून करंट का फ्लो होते, कारण इन्सुलेटरच्या आतच चार्जेस नसतात, आणि चार्जेस नसल्यामुळे स्टुडंट्स, सिन्स चार्जेस आर नॉट फ्री, हु विल कॅरी, फ्लो झाला तरच कॅरी होते. मेटल मध्ये कसं चार्जेस फ्लो, हेन्स करंट फ्लोज. इन्सुलेटर्स मध्ये चार्जेस डोंट फ्लो, दे आर बॉन्डेड, हेन्स करंट डजंट फ्लो. दॅट्स इट. One thing, students, let me tell you something regarding the electric field and the electric potential. गांठ बांध लो ये बातें. Inside the surface, electric field inside a closed surface like a sphere and all that. Inside a closed surface like a sphere, electric field at all the points inside the closed surface is zero. There is no electric field inside a closed surface. Surface च्या आत electric field नसते. Electric potential at any point inside a closed surface is zero. Electric potential at any point inside a closed surface is constant, everywhere constant. परत सांगते, inside a closed surface electric field at all the points is zero, no electric field. Whereas inside a closed surface electric potential at all the points, म्हणजे electric level at all the points is same or constant. So electric potential is not same only inside but also on the surface of the conductor. That's it. हे एक 2 पॉईंट्स तुम्हाला सांगायचे होते. ह्याच्यानंतर विल बी डिस्कसिंग समथिंग कॉल्ड एज ड्राय इलेक्ट्रिक्स अँड ऑल दॅट आय विल डील इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ठीक आहे स्टुडंट्स, चलो बाय.